Hey Benjamin, hey Harrison. Here I am at a railroad bridge, 12 feet 2-inch clearance, right here on the side of the road, looking for a train. Wait a minute. I think I hear off in the distance. I think I hear a train engine. I think I heard the whistle. Could there be a train coming? Let's walk around here and see. Look down the track. I don't see anything coming. Well, I don't know. I thought I heard a whistle. I thought I heard a train whistle somewhere out in the distance. I don't know. Maybe there will be one. There's the track up there. Let's see. Where could a train be? And if there is a train, you think it's a long one? Wait a minute. I think I hear some noise. It's either a loud car or a truck or... Benjamin, Harrison, it is a train! Yes, here comes one! Yes, I see it coming now! Look at that! CSX! CSX! Double engine! Oh, bunch of UPS! UPS! Oh, bunch of UPS cars! What else is on this train? Oh, there's a tractor trailer. Another couple of things. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Hey, Benjamin, Harrison, look at that. The double stacker. Oh, yes. Oh, there's several of those. Look at all these things going over the track. Oh, man, look at those double stackers. Probably want to get a picture of them going over that bridge too, don't you? I don't know how long this train is, but wow, it's moving. Oh, wow. Look at that. Do we have a train or what? Yep, it's going over the bridge here. Move up closer, we can get a better shot of it going over the bridge. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, that's the end of it. There it goes. Well, finally found you a train. Hope you liked it. We'll see you later, Benjamin. See you later, Harrison.